ready to turn casual browsers into serious buyers with the power of Kvacore's automated property search drips. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section. Then click on Smart Campaigns. This is where the magic happens. Click on Start Campaign to initiate a new campaign from here. Select Property Alerts as your campaign type. This tells Kvcore we're focusing on automated property listings. Now, customize your search alert settings. This is crucial. Define the specific property criteria that will trigger these alerts, like location, price range, property type, and number of bedrooms. Be as granular as possible for targeted results. Next, craft compelling email content. Kvcore provides templates, but personalize them. Highlight key property features, add a call to action, and most importantly, make sure your contact information is visible. Remember, engaging content wins. Finally, optimize your delivery schedule. Don't bombard leads. Consider sending alerts daily or weekly, depending on market activity and your leads' engagement level. Test different frequencies to find what works best. Monitor your campaign performance in the reports section. Track open rates, click-through rates, and lead engagement to continuously refine your strategy. And that's it. You've successfully set up a property search drip in Kvcore, ready to nurture leads and drive sales. Good luck.